With 3 levels of competitively priced storage options, Country Car Vehicle Storage has the right storage solution for every type of vehicle. Whether you just need a place to keep your car for a few months, or you're looking for the perfect place to provide long-term storage, care and maintenance of a vehicle, CCVS has the right package for you. As well as our indoor facility, we also offer outdoor storage for motorhomes and caravans. You can be assured that whatever option you need, your vehicle will be expertly cared for at our secure facility. Country Car Vehicle Storage is the perfect choice, whatever the type of vehicle and whatever your requirements.